Hello traders, welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to answer the most commonly asked question about the one candlestick strategy, whether you can trade it during Asian session, London or New York. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trade the one candlestick strategy using the London session, or you could call it the London kill zones. This strategy can be applied also in the New York session, but in this video I'm going to completely concentrate on the London session, and I believe this is going to be mind-blowing. It's going to change the way you see the one candlestick strategy. So please do not skip the video. Watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any of the information I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Also, if you're new to the channel and you've just been watching the videos and you've never considered subscribing, please guys, subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge, but it goes a long way to show that you like this content and you're supporting this work that I'm doing here on YouTube. Thank you guys in that regard. Now let's go on the screen. Let me show you the strategy without wasting any more time. Let's go. As you guys can see, this is the gold chart and we are on the 30-minute chart, but I've drawn some illustrations right here to help us understand. For those of you who have never seen this strategy at work, you're going to be able to understand everything that you need to know to trade this strategy successfully. So stick around, ask questions where you don't understand in the comment section down below. And also guys, make sure you are attentive, because if you're not attentive, you may miss something very crucial in this video. I will continue to share with you guys the secrets that I have been able to accumulate over the years of trading that have helped me to become consistently profitable. And one of them is what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So you guys have been asking me about the London kill zones, the New York kill zones, or what time do we trade? Do we trade Tokyo? Do we trade New York? Do you trade London? But what I want to tell you is that this strategy does work across all the pairs and across all asset classes and across all sessions. But it works best during London and New York sessions because those sessions have the highest trading volume in the trading industry, right? So here I've drawn some illustrations. So we are going to use this formation here during the London session. You can apply this to the New York session, but I've backtested the London session and I've seen that it works best during the London session. Okay, so here we have what we call the CRT reversal pattern, and here we have also a CRT reversal pattern to the downside. This is a bullish CRT reversal pattern and this is a bearish reversal CRT pattern. So when you see, for example, in a downtrend, when the market is going down like this and you see red candles printing, and the last candle that has closed, this one prints a red candle, and then the next one that closes prints a green candle or a bullish candle that has a low or a lower wick that is lower than the previous red candle's low, you know that that is a CRT reversal formation. So here the chances of the market reversing to go up are very high. Also, if you see the market, for example, printing higher highs and higher lows, something like this, market is doing this and it's going up, printing green candles, printing red candles, and then you see the most recent closed red candle creating a high that is higher than the green candle's high, you know that the market is going to most likely reverse to go down. So you want to also get into the trade and trade that continuation to the downside, right? Only wait for this formation to appear during the London session. So many of you have been asking me, which candle do we mark? Do we mark the candles during London? What candle do we mark? Now in this video you will learn that you have to mark this candle during the London session if you want to trade the London kill zones, if you want to call them that, right? So here you mark the bullish candles close on top like this, just get a ray, mark the green candles close on top, and also mark its low at the bottom like this. So when you've marked this, put a zone or put a box in between this zone like this. And then what you're waiting for is when you go down, for example, on a 30-minute chart, because we're going to be trading intraday, we are going to use the 30 minutes as the higher time frame, and then you are going to use the 5-minute chart or 2-minute chart for your entry, okay? Because you'll be taking short-term trades in this, right? So what you do, you enter a trade on a lower time frame only when the market on a lower time frame must come into this zone here, this purple zone. Wait for the market to come into that purple zone and give you confirmations like a bullish engulfing candle. It has pulled back to 50% or 61.8 Fibonacci level. It has broken out of a trend line. It it has done a market structure shift or a change of character, what you guys call change of character, or a reversal pattern like an inverse head and shoulder, right? Any of those patterns that you know in trading, if you see them happening within this tradable zone, then you can look for your bullish entry for you to continue with the bullish momentum, because most likely next bullish candle might do something like this, okay? So it might produce a wick inside of this tradable zone, and then it will continue bullish. So before it fully forms to create a bullish candle, on a lower time frame, it's going to pull back inside of this tradable zone. So that will be like a wick. On a higher time frame, it will be a wick, but on a lower time frame, it will be printing candles. So you want to also get in within this wick like this, so that you can get that movement to the upside. You also get this movement to fill this entire body of the candle. This is all during the London session. So this is how you enter in a bullish market in a nutshell. That's the strategy, right? But you want to trade it during the London session. To trade a reversal or to trade bearish, you want to just wait for the same thing to happen, but in the opposite direction. Once you see the most recent closed red candle creating a high that is higher than the previous bullish candle, this previous candle has to be bullish, right? And then this red candle clears its high. Then you can mark this red candle's high, that one that cleared that bullish candle's high, and then mark the close at the bottom here like this, something like this, right? And when you've done this, make sure you put a tradable zone for reference. When you go to the lower time frame, put a tradable zone right here like this, then wait on a lower time frame, because on a lower time frame you're going to get something like this. A next candle might do something like this. On a lower time frame, it will be many candles, but here on the higher time frame, you will be seeing a wick forming into this tradable zone. So on a lower time frame, you want to enter when something like this happens. The market will go back up to create that wick there on the lower time frame within this tradable zone, and then you're looking for trades. You're looking for head and shoulder pattern, looking for a bearish candle, engulfing candle, looking for evening star, you're looking for any reversal pattern, a trend line break. You're looking for those patterns for you to get into the trade to continue the momentum of this current candle that will be printing. So your entry will be within this wick here on a lower time frame. So your entry will look something like this, and then your stop loss will be at the most recent structure high within this tradable zone like that, and then you can target to close the trade when this candle here closes, or you can look for structure lows, like you can look for this bullish candles low right here for you to take profit, something like that. Just look for structural levels for you to take profit on a lower time frame. So this would be your entry for a bearish move. Now, how do you enter this? Let me show you guys without doing bar replay. I'm not going to do bar replay on this video, but before we go there, let me show you guys a prop firm that I am trading with. Did you know that you can get funded with Got Funded Trader today by you using the link in the description of this video, and you can get 50% off your first purchase? Guys, this is incredible. You can get 50% off your first purchase. And if you are a person who has already got an account with Got Funded Trader and you want to get another account, you can just use the code BOGO40 and you'll get 40% off on all your purchases. Or you can just use my link that is in the description of this video, and also the discount code that I provide there, and you'll get a very good discount. Got Funded Trader is a platform that gives you all account types, which is the 1-step challenge, 2-step, 3-step challenge, and also instant funding, which they have just introduced the premium variant of it. Now, this premium one here is the best I've seen in the industry. You don't have a profit target. You have a maximum daily loss of 3%, maximum loss of 6%. You don't have consistency rule. Now, this in the prop firm industry is the first I've seen. Instant funding with no consistency rule, with a leverage of 1 to 50, and you get your first payout in 10 days with a profit split of 80%. This account, a 100k, goes for $739 at the moment after the discount, as you guys can see. Use the link in the description, guys, and the discount code provided on there. Get funded with Got Funded Trader today. And if you purchase an account using my link, you can send me a WhatsApp and I can walk you through how you can be able to pass your Got Funded Trader account successfully. So guys, I'll see you on board. Let's get back onto the video. So let me show you guys just an example of some. I'm not going to do bar replay, but I'll just show you some of the elements that you can trade using the one candlestick strategy, and also using that London kill zone. Now, what you want to do, you want to put this indicator on your chart. This indicator is just sessions by Lux Algo. Go to your indicators, search for sessions by Lux Algo. This one here by Lux Algo, put it on your chart, and then you will be able to see this indicator showing right here. Now this is the London session here. So you want to look for a CRT formation during London session on a 30-minute chart. Make sure you are on a 30-minute chart, then look for CRT formations during London session. So the first CRT formation that we got, you will get multiple CRT formations in one day. So you can see here, we have this first CRT formation right here. You can see a CRT formation there. We have the bearish candle here, and we have its low here being cleared by that bullish candle. You can see that that bullish candle clears that bearish candle's low. I want to make it big enough for you guys to see. You see that this bullish candle here, its low clears this bearish candle's low, as you can see right there. So we can draw the one candlestick strategy markings on this bullish candle here, which has closed like that. So what you do, mark that candle's close like this before this next candle prints, okay? Or even if it has started printing, but you just can mark. Marking this takes like 10 seconds basically. Just mark very fast. It takes like 10 seconds for you to mark that, and then you put a tradable zone in between those two lines, something like this. And then on the lower time frame, you can see that this next candle first creates a wick inside of this tradable zone right here before it closes bullish. So on a lower time frame, if you go on the say 5-minute chart, let's just use 5-minute chart for reference. So this is the same zone on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, the market pulls back in with this red candle here, and then gives you this other green candle here, which is a big candle here, which also creates a double bottom. If you're looking at chart patterns, you can see it creates a double bottom here, or you can say this is a double bottom, and after the double bottom, the market starts going up. So you can enter your trade here after that next candle closes. Your stop loss will be below there, and then you can just target 1 to 1, 1 to 2. It all works. You just put your stop loss below this level, and then you can target for a 1 to 2, something like this. You can see that this trade would take you into profit. You would get some profitability right here. Now if you go back to the 30-minute chart, this is the same zone right here on the 30-minute chart right here. So that CRT formation passed its test, this one here. That was the first one of that London session. But then we get another one here. You can see here, this is now a bearish reversal. Let me zoom in there so that you guys can be able to see clearly what I am talking about, right? So you can see here, we have another CRT formation here, whereby this bearish candle breaks above this bullish candle's high, and then it reverses. So you draw your markings on this bearish candle's high, and then also draw on that bearish candle's close, something like this. Remember that this next candle here has not yet printed fully, okay? It has just opened, this one has just closed, and you draw this quickly. It takes about 10 seconds for you to draw that like this, okay? So you just put your drawing there. Let's assume that that's the tradable zone right here. And now when you go down to the lower time frame, say the 5-minute chart, and you go to this area, you will see that you get entries right there. Let's check that and see. All right, so on the 5-minute chart, you can see clearly that this is the same zone right here that we drew. You can see that the market came and entered back inside of this zone right here with those two, this green candle, then we had this red candle moving away from it. So what you would do here is, when you see that this candle has moved inside of this tradable zone, you can get ready to take a trade when you see another candle that closes below that zone. So you can take a trade like at this candle's close right here, and then your stop loss can be even at that zone's high, and then target a 1 to 2 like that, okay? Just target a 1 to 2, something like this. This would be also a winning trade, as you guys can see, right? Then if you go back to the 30-minute chart, and then I show you guys just another example so that you guys can see that this strategy actually does work. You can see in the same London session, you get another CRT model right here, okay? You see you get this bullish candle closing, creating a low that is lower than that red candle, and then it creates a reversal going up. So on a lower time frame, you get this entry right here. So you can see that this strategy will work for you during the London session. Now there is a New York session here immediately after London, which also gives those same zones. You can see there's a CRT here for a bearish reversal, there's a CRT here for a bearish reversal. But for this video, I wanted to show you the London kill zones or entry zones for the one candlestick strategy. You can go and do your backtest, check on all the London sessions, and you can be able to see that when you find a CRT during London session, it's going to most likely succeed. Like you can see here, we had a CRT formation, the market moved down. And also when you see here, there was a CRT formation here also, and the market moved up, as you can see. So there is a lot that you can do with the CRT formations during the London session. Also here, there is a CRT formation the next day. The market goes up. Here we had a failed CRT formation right here, but still you would be in profit because this would give you a 1 to 2, so you'd lose just 1 R here. You can see. So you can use this strategy to trade during the London session. And also if you want, you can trade it also during New York, because this is the New York session right here. Forms this CRT formation and the market reverses massively. Then down here, it forms the CRT formation on this candle right here, and then it reverses and goes up. You can do this all day. You can see this is the next day right here. The first CRT formation we see on this day was here. You can see this bullish CRT formation. The market goes up. Then there's this CRT formation here. You can see here, and the market plunges down. You can see all these formations every day during London session. So guys, that is the video. Please give this video a like, share this video as much as you can. If you share this video as much as you can and this video gets like 5,000 likes, want to come and do a complete backtest, like 1.5 hours long, showing you the entire strategy, how it works during London. So that's the only task you have. Like this video, share it as much as possible so that it gets at least 5,000 likes. Then I'll come and do that complete video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.